more safety cones. Here we go. There's one more. Another one. Another one. Oh my goodness. There's another one. Now these are elf-size cones. I just wanted to say, I got more cones. So that's going to be it. Oh, whoa. Let's see here. Safety cone. Safety cone. All right. Hi. I'm the Twisted Elf. Yeah, that's me. I feel like an acorn today. I don't know why. I got the acorn elf hat and my beautiful hair. So, I set up the safety cones. They're elf-sized, and we're going to get started. This is the result from a tree up there, and we had an ice storm here in Eugene, Springfield, Cresswell, Cottage Grove. A lot of Lane County had an ice storm. Okay, so we're going to get some of the smaller limbs. I'm not able to get this big stuff here, and for my safety, I'm not even going to try. So, let's start with some of the littler ones. Oh, there we go. So, if you live in the Eugene, Springfield area, how did you do with this storm? Write it in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like my videos, and hit that bell button so you get notified when I post more. I'm going to have to make a little pile here. Okay, let's go there. All right, here we go. Ooh, that's dangerous. Oh, okay. Move this cone. We have professional guys coming on Tuesday to take a look at the stuff that, whoa puppy, that we can't quite do ourselves. I'm making them in smaller pieces. This is kind of a big tree branch right here, and that's going to require a chainsaw, and I don't want to use a chainsaw myself. I've got one, it's electric, but it's also raining. Safety first, you know. So, the power was out for almost a week, and so we also lost internet. So that was quite a thing. Oh, look at this one here. That's a pretty good one I can do. Okay, and let's see what we can do about this one. If I go to this part here, I could probably put that myself. Let's see how. Oh my gosh. I did it. Okay. So my goal here is to free up my perennial. It's a spring perennial. Well, perennials are all the time every year, but this one really blooms in the spring. Okay. Cut off some of these little pieces here, and this one here. Okay. See, this is what I'm trying to accomplish, is making a pile of all this little stuff. I want to be able to go through this way and get to my ducks over there. We have 6 ducks, and luckily none of the branches landed on them. They have evening houses, so that's good. And there's a bunch more branches, and oh dear. Oh no. I bet you if I put this in dirt, it'll start growing again. Well, let's put that over there for now. Whew. Okay. What else can I do? Let's see if I can climb over some of this stuff here. Oh. So, Cresswell had been declared with a state of emergency to get help to clean up the debris and get our power going back on. Let's just throw that out of the way. So, climb over here again. Oh. There's some big ass limbs here. And these aren't just branches. That's a tree limb. I tell you what. Okay, here's another one. Oh. Making some progress here. Oh, my word. If you live in Eugene, Springfield, Crestwell, Cottage Grove, Junction City, how did you fare in the snow? You probably can't see me right now because I'm on the other side of the tree here. I don't think I'm going to get very far today. Husband's at work, so I'm kind of having fun. This is kind of fun, but it's also work. And that's what you do when you're a homesteader. And name of our little farm is What the Duck? Yeah, What the Duck. So I'm going to end this video, and I'll catch you on the flip side, meaning the next video. This is Satara T. Slugshine, the Twisted Elf, saying, good luck with those branches, money. Money, honey. It costs some money to get them done, but it's very important that we get this done. I want to be able to go through. Hopefully it won't be too expensive. So, goodbye.